This video shows how to install the AIO-6 CG quick release mount with cameras. Choose the correct adapter ring for your handlebar diameter. Attach the universal ball mount and tighten at the desired angle. Secure the ball base to the quick release mount. Install the bracket and tighten the screws. For standard clamps, mount the display directly. Power connection. Connect black wire to battery negative, connect red wire to battery positive. Connect this wire as ACC. Organize and secure the power cable. Connect the device power cable and tighten the waterproof nut. Turn on the bike and test power connection. Use the security key to fully tighten the rear screw to lock the mount. Camera installation. Assemble the camera with its bracket and secure with screws. Stick the camera in an ideal spot with 3M adhesive. Check the camera cable markings. B for rear camera, F for front camera. Arrow must face up. Adjust the angle and tighten the screws. Camera base is bendable for better fitment. Match the cable markings on both ends when connecting. Double check connections. Installation complete.